How to install Billy accounting software mobile app. So just tap get and then you will be able to install it. And this is the app which can be used to do accounting for small and medium-sized businesses, contractors, freelancers. It's like both simple and professional app. You can easily create, send, and track invoices and bills right from your iPhone, so you can manage all your invoices on the go and get paid faster. Plus, you can even send the invoice to the customer before leaving their locations. Here are 6 reasons why you will love using Billy. So you can just use Invoice Designer. Your invoices will be sent to your customers immediately. You can create invoices and post bills anywhere at any time. That's basically the idea. Create expenses on the go, overview of your expenses, send invoices. I don't know if this app only works in Denmark or around Europe, but it's one of the best apps, if you want to create like an overview of your costs, how they are moving, create all these invoices in this app, not just like in a Google Sheet or Excel, just have them professionally, work with clients. Generally, I think if you're a freelancer in Denmark, with some kind of experience, you definitely will be using this app. Maybe not on mobile, just on the desktop, of course, as a website. But then if you just want to manage all of this just on your fingertips, which can be quite convenient, you just enable it here as a mobile app.